What you don't know about credit cards and how it is affecting mentally, because in the initial period it's all about virtual money, you will be happy about spending it, but when it increases the interest rate and when you are not able to repay, that is when it starts affecting mentally, because stress will get increased, and automatically you will feel that how can I do this, how can I close this. So all about that only I am going to speak today in today's topic. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santuru, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. I help in multiplying your money by investing in stock market. Please check the description for the book link in Amazon. And I just had three case studies because all these case studies are different. People had their own reasons for buying the credit card, and people have own reasons for using the credit card. And the first one is using for health reasons. I just had a friend. I just got a call from a local person, and he just told me I just used two credit cards, and the limits are huge. I mean the limits in the sense the outstanding is huge. It's almost like close to 3 lakhs in both the cards put together, and he just bought it for own reasons that his mom is not well for the last few months, and he has used for her health reasons. She got cancer, and he's left with no other option except to use the credit card, and he started using the credit card. And now the bank people are harassing him. He openly told, I'm not able to withstand those harassments. I don't know. I have a genuine reason. I'm ready to repay, but I don't know how to increase my income. I don't know what to do right now. And he's not only having this, he got the personal loan which he is not able to repay. Again, that is increasing. And again, those also it's increasing. And his salary is very less. He need to take care of his mom's health, and also he needs to take care of his family. And in spite of all these things, harassment is going on by these people. So you can't escape. That is what most of the people are getting affected, and now it is affecting him, and he's feeling the stress right now because of the total outstanding is 8.5 lakhs. Just consider when all the rich people are having so much outstanding, in spite of that their wealth has grown in the last 1 year itself. But lower middle class people and all these people, the loans whatever they are having is few lakhs, 3 lakhs or 8 lakhs, and the banks are harassing, and the credit card companies are giving away the credit cards in the name of you can use it as and when you want because this is going to be helpful. And when they are not repaying, that is where not able to understand, because then it is a business, because still selling, it is all about emotional selling, and you will buy it because it helped you during that emergency. But if this card is not there, you could have used some other means, asking your friends, asking your neighbors, asking your that will be a totally different thing, because they can understand, because it's people to people communication. But whereas here you are communicating with somebody who is not known, it's a bank and it's a business for them, they will not understand, right? So this happened for health reasons, but the ultimate reason is you bought the card at that time. He didn't had his mother didn't had any health issues, right? So the point here is we buy things whenever we feel good, and we start utilizing it for our difficulty situations without asking a proper friend or somebody. And when we are getting into the trap, that is where the real problem kicks in. Okay, so it's not health reason, it's all about you buying the card for your own usage, and when it is going out of limit, you blame the current situation. But the point here is it's not needed at all. Credit card is not needed at all. Let me share an interesting story on myself, my own story. On learning purpose I got it, and I just quit my company a couple of years ago. I was working in a company, MNC, and I started my own company. And for all the reasons, it was an investment which I started making on my own, attending all the seminars and doing all those things. My cash was dwindling, and my business growth was almost what I'm saying is 3 years before, 2 to 3 years before. I attended all the seminars which is needed, because I thought learning will help me in growing to the multiple levels. And it took me several years to understand all these things. And in the meantime, I started using the credit card to pay for those learnings, and I thought I can repay because I know the possibility which is available. And it took me more than 1 year, 1.5 years to have those credit cards with almost maximum limit. I just uh, started repaying the minimum due alone. Say for example, you have an outstanding of 1 lakh, bank will ask you to repay only 5,000 rupees, and remaining 95,000 they will start putting interest rate again and again. And as my transactions are more than almost 1 year, and they started increasing the interest rate from 36%, it jumped to 45%. So 3.75% per month, that was the interest rate I was paying. I was thinking this is too much, I need to close it down at any cost. And what I did, I started increasing my marketing activities in my business. I started making more money, and then I thought this is the time I should close it down. And couple of months ago, I closed down my entire credit card. Now I don't have any interest rate, but whatever interest I paid is equal to almost whatever I bought it on loan. Meaning 90,000 I utilized, I would have paid them around close to another 50-60,000 over a period of 1.5 years. That is a kind of interest you will get it, and it happened with everybody, right? So unless you have a potential to pay, unless you increase your skills so that your income is increasing, there is no way you can come out of this debt trap. That is what I understood. This is what everybody are telling. And what if you had gone into it unknowingly? This is an interesting case study which happened like almost many years ago. This was my beginning stage, I can say, because I worked in credit card industry for a very long time. I know how it works. But in the first year, without knowing, my friend, he just came to Chennai after he studied all down south of Tirunelveli and all these places, and he came to Chennai and he didn't have money. What he did was, one of his friend asked and he bought two credit cards, and one of his friends asked the loan. He said, I don't have money, and he asked, you can give it in the credit card, and he gave the credit card. And his this friend, my friend's friend who got the credit card, after that he didn't even respond properly. It's almost more than 6 months, 10 months, and the interest rate started jumping in my friend's account. And to be frank, he didn't add any just by faking the documentation, or somehow he got the credit card limits, but his salary was very very less, just 10,000 rupees per month. For the first 6 months it was just 6,000 rupees, the next 10 months was 10,000 rupees, and after that, after next 1 year, was 16,000 rupees. This was a salary package in 2007-8 period. And he was not able to repay, and finally slowly he started repaying few thousands, and it took him more than a year to shut it down. And after that, he what do you know what I did? He took a scissor and just broke on the credit card. He said, hereafter I'm not using this credit card. After that, he stopped using credit card. This was his experience, and after seeing this in the first year itself in my earning time, I thought this is a very dangerous thing, and I started learning more. Because as I said, I worked in credit card industry for almost close to 10 years. I know how the interest rate changes, how the personal loans are being pushed, and how the credit card interest rate are being increased, all these nuances. And if you are able to use it wisely, you can use it. And if you are falling into the debt trap, and how to lower the interest rate, as I said, my interest rate was 45%, and I think it will take another 3 to 6 months. Looking at my repaying capacity, they may bring it down the interest rate. It takes few months. And also, how to utilize the credit card, repay it fully. If you're using for 20,000, repay it fully. If you're using for 15,000, make sure your income allows you to repay 50,000 fully. If you're having the habit of paying only the partial amount like minimum due, for sure it will affect you. It will affect your mental, and it will cause stress like anything. Because looking at the interest rate of 45% for a year, remember, for home loan itself we are just paying 7% only, and for personal loan not more than 11 to 14% at this juncture. But this credit card is going to be 45%, and they slowly jump in, they slowly push you, and slowly over a period of, it took me 10 years for falling into the trap. I paid the interest rate. I thought I will never ever pay, because my credit card limit is close to 1.05 lakhs, and every few months, every month I pay not more than 10,000. Normal household groceries, normal household purchases. At times I use it in Amazon. That's it. But in the last 1.5 years, because of my learning things, it took me, that amount has increased, and I started it. So in everybody's life, you may use it, but are you having the capacity to fully repay? That is what. And even if you had gone into the trap, don't worry. You can always say that I want to go for settlement. I want to bring it down the amount. So that should be your attitude, and don't think about what will happen if I will I get loans in the future. Right now, you should want to get out of the trap. Say you have a credit card loan of 2 lakhs, ask for settlement with the bank, negotiate with them, and bring down the rates, and make sure you are closing it down at any cost. And you can even borrow the personal loan if you are having the capacity to get the personal loan. Say you are having jewels at home, get the jewels and keep it as a jewel loan and close down the credit card loan. And if you're having credit card loan, car loan, home loan, and all kinds of loans, first close the credit card loan, because that should be the highest credit interest rate, and that should be the your point of bringing down the EMIs and bringing down the interest rate. So hope it was clear today. Please share with your friends who are thinking a lot about credit cards. Share and if you have any doubts about closing down the credit cards and usage of credit cards, please post it in the comment section. And please kindly subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, so let them also watch about how to use credit cards wisely and make sure they are also coming out of the debt trap. Thank you so much for watching.